Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing Vermicelli Kheer recipe. Chop few raisins and soaked almonds and keep it aside. Add few strands of saffron to little milk and keep it aside. In a saucepan add little butter. Let the butter melt. Add chopped raisins and soaked almonds. Add cashew nuts and fry on low flame. Once ready, keep it aside. In a saucepan add butter. Let the butter melt. Add 55 grams of vermicelli to the saucepan. Stir continuously and roast it. Add 2.5 cups of milk. Stir it and let it cook. Add the saffron strands with little milk and stir it. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and stir. Add 1/3 cup of sugar or as per your taste and stir. Add the fried dry fruits and nuts. Stir. Let it cook. Yummy vermicelli kheer is now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.